Holiday flying packs, airports like a rush hour train. One small mistake at security can stall your whole trip. The 311 rule seems simple, yet it trips up smart travelers every day. Today, we will make it simple, calm, and holiday-proof. You will learn what counts as a liquid, what exceptions you can use, and how to fly through security with gifts, food, and medicine without stress. We will keep this clear, step by step, short sentences, practical examples, no fluff. Think of this as your pre-flight checklist for liquids and gels. By the end, you will know how to pack with confidence. You will avoid costly delays, and you will help your family move through the checkpoints like a well-run cabin crew. Let's tune this for seniors and caregivers too. Smooth is the goal, safe is the standard, comfort is the bonus. Let's begin. The 311 rule is simple on paper. Each liquid, gel, cream, paste, or aerosol in your carry-on must be in a container no larger than 3.4 ounces, which is 100 milliliters. All those small containers must fit in one clear, quart-sized zip-top bag. One bag per traveler, not per ticket, not per backpack, per person. Here is what many people miss. The container size matters, not how much is left inside. A half-full 6-ounce bottle is not allowed. A 3.4-ounce bottle that is totally full is fine. A quart-sized bag is about the size of a paperback book. If your bag bulges and will not zip, you have too much. Sprays count as liquids. Toothpaste counts, lip gloss counts, peanut butter counts. If you can smear it, pump it, squeeze it, spread it, or pour it, it counts. Solid bar soap is fine. Solid deodorant sticks are fine. Stick foundation is usually fine, but a liquid foundation bottle must go in the bag. The rule has not changed for TSA pre-check. Pre-check lets you keep your shoes on and your laptop in your bag at most lanes, but the 311 size limit still applies. Quick community check. Share in the comments the one item that surprised you most under the 311 rule. Your note could save someone's holiday flight today. Good news for seniors, caregivers, and families. Medically necessary liquids are allowed in larger amounts. This includes liquid medications, cough syrup, liquid nutrition, and saline. It also includes insulin, contact lens solution, and distilled water for CPAP. Baby formula, breast milk, and juice for infants and toddlers are also allowed over 3.4 ounces. You do not need a prescription label. Labels help, but they are not required. What is required is to declare these items to the officer before screening. Place them in a separate bin. Expect extra screening. The officer may test a small sample, or they may swab the container. That is normal. Use cold packs to keep medicine cool. Gel packs are allowed when medically necessary. If they are partially melted, explain why they are needed. Keep items together in a clear pouch. Bring a simple doctor's note if you can. It is not required, but it can speed the conversation. Tell the officer if you cannot stand, lift, or open containers. If you use a mobility aid or oxygen, you can still carry your medical liquids. Just declare them early and stay calm. I need to keep them with me. Clear words, steady tone. It works. Your health comes first. Security will meet you there. The holidays bring tasty traps. Many favorite foods are liquids under the rule. Cranberry sauce in a jar counts. Gravy counts. Jam and jelly count. Honey counts. Nut butter counts. Salsa counts. If it spreads, it belongs in the quart bag or in your checked bag. Whole pies and solid cakes are usually allowed. Hard cheeses are solid. Soft cheeses like brie can be treated like a spread, so pack them with care. Meat and sauce counts as liquid. A sealed bottle of wine or liquor is still a large liquid. That means it cannot go through regular security in your carry-on. Put it in checked baggage or buy it after security. What about gifts? Wrap at home if you like, but security may need to open any wrapped gift. For faster screening, place wraps and bows in your checked bag and gift at your destination. Better yet, ship gifts ahead. Snow globes are a classic problem. Most of them hold more than 3.4 ounces of liquid. They will be stopped unless they are tiny and fit in your quart bag. Candle tip. Solid wax candles are fine in carry-on. Gel candles can be treated as liquids. Pack those in checked luggage. If you must bring sauces, use travel-size pouches. Many brands sell 3.4-ounce packs during the season. Keep your bag flat, not overstuffed. A tidy quart bag gets less attention and glides through faster. Toiletries can fill a quart bag fast. Start with the essentials: daily medicine, toothpaste, face wash, moisturizer, sunscreen if you are chasing winter sun. Put each item in a 3.4-ounce or smaller container. Use travel bottles with tight caps. Add tape around flip tops. Pressure in the cabin can push liquid up. A simple wrap keeps leaks down. Place bottles upright if you can. Then use a second small pouch for solids: bar soap, solid shampoo, solid conditioner, solid lotion sticks. These stretch your liquid allowance and save space. Travel-size hairspray or shaving cream is okay in the quart bag. Keep the cap on. Big spray cans belong in checked luggage if allowed by the airline. Paint, spray adhesives, and other flammable aerosols are a no-go in carry-on. Deodorant comes in many forms. Solid sticks are fine. Gels and sprays go in the liquid bag. Razors. Disposable razors with cartridges are allowed in carry-on. Loose razor blades are not. Electric shavers are fine. Perfume and cologne can fly in 3.4-ounce bottles. Consider decanting into a smaller atomizer. That saves weight. Keep the quart bag handy at the top of your carry-on. If your airport has new CT scanners, you may be told to leave the bag inside. If not, you will take it out. Watch the signs at the lane. Follow the officer's cue. The 3.4-ounce limit is grounded in the global 100 milliliter standard. Most countries follow it. Some airports now use advanced CT scanners that let you keep liquids and laptops in your bag, but the size limit often still applies. In the United States, the limit remains 3.4 ounces, even at many CT lanes. Follow local signs and staff guidance. When in doubt, keep that quart bag ready. Do not count on exceptions at the last minute. Duty-free can be tricky on connections. If you buy liquids after security, they are allowed onto that flight. But if you connect in another airport, you may face security again. To protect your purchase, keep it sealed in the special duty-free bag. Save the receipt. Do not open the bag until you reach your final destination. Many airports accept these sealed bags for connections. Some do not. The safest plan for a long connection in the United States: place duty-free bottles into your checked bag when you recheck luggage after customs. If you are carry-on only, consider buying duty-free at your last airport, or buy at your destination. If a sealed bag is refused, you may abandon the item. Start packing with a short list. Daily must-haves, trip must-haves, nice-to-haves. Must-haves get the quart bag space. Nice-to-haves get cut or go to checked luggage. Use clear travel bottles and label them. Use a large marker. Big fonts help in a dim hotel bathroom. Keep the quart bag flat. Put heavier bottles at the bottom. Place it near the top of your carry-on for quick reach. Use a second small pouch for solids and tools. For families, give each traveler their own quart bag. Even kids, that spreads the load. If you travel with a partner, split shared items across 2 bags. If an officer asks you to reduce items in the bag, you can move extras to your personal item and check at the gate if needed. Arrive early during the holidays. Lines build like traffic before a snowstorm. Keep your ID ready. Shoes easy to slip off if you do not have pre-check. Place phones and keys in your carry-on before you reach the bins. Keep your quart bag at the top. If your lane asks you to take liquids out, do it. If the lane uses CT scanners, follow the posted steps. Leave the bag inside unless told otherwise. If you have medical liquids, declare them clearly. Use firm, calm words. If something alarms the scanner, do not panic. Officers are doing their job. They will swab or inspect the item. Stay focused and polite. Remember, wrapped gifts may be unwrapped for inspection. Plan to wrap at your destination. Keep snow globes and large liquids in checked baggage. ID, boarding pass, quart bag, laptop, belt, shoes, reading glasses. A tiny card can save minutes and stress. Small habits make a big travel day feel simple and smooth. Let's land this. The 3-1-1 rule is firm, but you can win it with planning. Keep each liquid at 3.4 ounces. 1 quart bag per person. Put spreadable foods in checked bags. Pack solids to save space. Keep your quart bag handy. Follow the lane signs. You will walk through like a pro, so I would love to hear from you. Share your best 311 tip or your worst surprise in the comments. Your story can help a neighbor fly smoother this season. Save this video for your travel week. Share it with a family flyer who always packs the big shampoo. Safe travels, clear skies, and may your holidays start on time with your liquid sealed and your patience intact.